Get ready for something totally new, because we're about to dive into an event that is going to completely change how we all think about math here in Nepal.
So yeah, competing is fun and all, but what do you actually gain from joining this debate? Well, the answer is pretty huge. It's about building skills that are going to stick with you for a lifetime.
Look, this is all about building a powerful toolkit of skills. You're going to take math theory and actually apply it in real discussions. You'll sharpen your critical thinking, your ability to reason, and maybe most important of all, you'll learn how to collaborate, to build arguments and solve problems as a team. These aren't just math skills, you guys. These are life skills.
First hurdle, the screening process, is actually a super simple 4-step checklist. First, get your team of 3 students together. Second, create a really cool video that's at least 2 minutes long. Third, register your team online and upload that video. And finally, the selection process. And here's some great news. A minimum of 1 team from every school is guaranteed to be selected.
And that brings us to our final and maybe most important section. You know how to enter, but how do you actually win? What in the world are the judges looking for in your video submission? So, you want to know exactly what the judges are looking for? Okay, lean in, because this is the secret sauce. The organizers have laid out the 4 key criteria they're going to use to score every single video. If you can nail these, you're going to stand out. Let's break them down one by one.
Think of this as your winning formula. First up, concept accuracy. Is your math solid? Does your analysis show you actually get the concept deep down? Second, content delivery. Can you present your ideas clearly and with confidence? Third, math literacy. This isn't just about calculating. It's about showing you can interpret and discuss mathematical ideas. And finally, creativity. How are you going to make your video memorable? This is your chance to really engage the judges and leave a lasting impression.
So there you have it, a complete breakdown of Nepal's very first national-level math debate. It is so much more than a competition. It's a movement to celebrate the ideas, the discussions, and the creativity behind the numbers. So, the only question left is, are you and your team ready to change the conversation?